For number 9, it says which of the following is a solution to the system? So one fast way that we can do this is just by subbing them in, and subbing in for x, subbing in for y, seeing if it works for both equations. But another way that's even faster, I think, is using one of our solving methods, because that's what solving does, is it gives us the solution. Right? So if we're going to find the solution, you can either plug it in, it's a good way to check it at least, or we can just solve. So in order to solve this, I'm going to use elimination method. I need to have my x's, y's, equal signs, and numbers lined up. So notice they are not lined up. So here I have the x and y on the same side, so I'll just move this over to the other side, making it to a negative 5x. And this is still positive 5y. So restacking this, now I have 3x minus 4y equals negative 4. Here I have minus 5x plus 5y is equal to 5. And now we have it stacked up. And now we can treat this just like any other combination method, is we have to multiply to get opposites. Here we're going to have to multiply both equations. So let's see. Let's just say I want to eliminate my x's. I see I can multiply this one by 5 and this one by 3. That way I can get 15x and negative 15x. So that'll be my opposites. So rewriting this, I now have 15x minus 20y is equal to negative 20. So that's 15, negative 20, negative 20, 15, negative 20, negative 20. Same thing here, I'm going to have minus 15x plus 15y is equal to 15. And I see it's let's see, negative 15, 15, and 15. Negative 15, 15, and 15. Always check your signs and your numbers. Now our x's eliminate like I planned. I have minus 5y and minus 5. So y must be equal to, when dividing by negative 5, is equal to 1. And then I can just sub it in to find my x. So right here you could probably already see your answer, but let's just do the process of subbing in. So if I plug in y is 1 into one of our previously bracketed equations, maybe this one right here, the second one, let's see what happens when I get my x. So I have negative 5x plus 5 times y, which we know is 1 now, is equal to 5. And I get negative 5x plus 5 equals 5. Moving this 5 over, we have minus 5x is equal to 5 minus 5 is 0. So dividing by negative 5 is still 0. So now we see we have x is 0, y is 1, which matches up with D.